So, how is everybody doing? How are you doing, sir? Aren't we crushing it in VIP? No. I believe that we are fine. We can have bad days, bad weeks, months, but yeah, in the end, you want natural gas, please. But please tell me what you are looking at on that market. Yeah. Please tell me your time frame. Okay. If you are bullish, if you are a bull, a bear. Yeah, thank you. So today, Yan Longs. Yeah, I'm still looking for Yan Longs. Unfortunately, earlier today, right right after the U.S. data, the Japanese yen depreciated. Okay. Hello, man. What is the learn to trade course and how does it work? So Raymond, if you have more questions about trading course or I don't know, you can also access, one moment, I believe that I have the link right below this video for Forex course as well. Yeah, I have it. You can access that link, Forex course. You can also send an email to support. Okay, support. Learn to trade. Okay. Mina, hi, how are you? Yeah, if you have questions about services, about subscription, trading course, personally, I don't have a course myself here. Maybe I will record the trading course and also because also I have maybe a new approach and strategy, and as you already know, and I believe that you noticed that I'm using only maybe half risk right now. Yeah, maybe I will use in the next yeah, 2-3 weeks, 2 weeks. Yeah, I will use only 0.5%, 0.4, 0.3. Yeah, only because I have a new approach, I have a new strategy and maybe setups, and then I will use again a 1% risk, and maybe next year maybe I will have time to record the trading course, but yeah, it takes a lot of time, guys. Maybe I will try also to come back here for you guys to host educational webinars if you are interested, of course. Okay, resistance levels. What? Okay, on natural gas. Okay, I will take a look on that. In this drastic down, your team not able to take a sell signal. Rahim. Okay, so first of all, guys, before I will take a look on gold, risk disclaimer. Yeah, as you already know, it's important to understand the risks. Please read it. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. If you have questions, support here. And guys, if you are not a VIP member and if you want to join us, I believe that you already... What? Okay, so I believe that you already know that we have a Christmas gift for you. So you can use these coupons at the checkout to receive a 50% discount, 40% discount, 30%, and 20% discount. So Christmas 50, Christmas 40, Christmas 30, Christmas 20. So yeah, hello, follow. Did Orlando US hit the target or not? One moment. No, that the price dropped and no, it has failed to come back to approach and reach his entry. So you'll have to wait for his update, Johnson. He will come back with his update if he'll still keep that pending order, or if he'll decide to delete it. Okay, thank you, Johnson. So okay, coupons. So let's start. Yeah, I've talked about silver earlier today in my and then I will talk about natural gas. I will reply to, and I will thank you. Okay, so I will try to answer to your questions. I will take a look on natural gas, also on gold. Thank you, guys. Okay, so asking because I was too late. Yeah. Don't worry. We'll send new setups and trades if you want to follow them. Okay, so silver, okay, sell off. I talked about this zone about 23.518 in my daily video analysis, and I've said that I will look for potential longs, but right now, yeah, it has dropped also below this inside sliding line here. So this is an inside sliding line. Okay, I will delete this indicator for now. Okay, and after taking out maybe this, yeah, it has found support. I'll wait to see how it will react here, because right now it challenges the inside sliding line. Okay, because personally I've talked about a potential. This is my upper medium line here. I talked about a potential down channel here, but right now, yeah, it has dropped below the channel's support. Why your team not give us sell signal on gold dropping? Because let's take a look. Because the price of gold dropped only because the US reported better than expected data. Okay, and the bias was bullish. Okay, the bias was bullish. Yeah, 1,810. I talked about it also yesterday. I talked about bullish, maybe about an upside continuation, and that's why this was only a reaction after the US data. Let's take a look here. Okay, so final gross domestic product, better than expected. Unemployment claims, better than expected. Let's take a look on the dollar index. And please understand that, Rahim, it's really hard to catch every move. Okay, that's why Orlando was looking at, actually had a pending order here for a potential long. Unfortunately, as you can see here, let's take a look. Okay, after this sell-off, a demand zone here, and also using that concept, liquidity sweep and smart money concept. After this retreat, okay, strong rally. Okay, here on an imbalance. Okay, and yeah, retreat, but unfortunately the price failed here to hit its entry. Okay, so yeah, we had something on gold today, but unfortunately the price failed to hit the entry here, and then it has rallied. Okay, it would have been really good. The price turned it to the downside and dropped it only because the US data came in better than expected. So final gross domestic product, unemployment claims. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I will go back and I will talk about, so we cannot catch every move, or maybe we don't have a setup to trade. Okay, maybe we don't have a setup. Yeah, maybe we don't have a setup, but after this sell-off, maybe we'll try to catch a potential new upside movement. Okay, maybe because this could be only a temporary drop, a temporary retreat. Okay, please take a look here. The bias is still bullish, right? Temporary retreats and then a new leg higher. So that's why. Okay, so the bias was still bullish as long as it was traded above these levels, and then yeah, massive drop, massive sell-off. But it's fine. We cannot catch every move, or we don't want to. Maybe we don't. If we don't have a setup to trade, cannot place a trade at market to buy, to sell, only because you want to place 10 trades per day or something like this. So right now at confluence area, confluence zone, the intersection of the upper medium line with the uptrend line. So yeah, let's wait, because here if we'll use maybe this this indicator, and if we'll take a look on a lower time frame, right now, yeah, it has reached this demand zone, okay, this demand zone. But as you already know, I will not buy it only because it has reached this demand zone. Okay, I will try to, or actually I'll wait for the price maybe to confirm a potential new leg higher here on lower time frames. Okay, after reaching this confluence area, the downside obstacles, you can see that we have using this indicator, we have a demand zone here, and if you are using of course that concept, smart money concept, liquidity swap, okay, we have a demand zone here, okay, but yeah, we'll have to wait. Personal wait. Okay, I have other. If I'm not using maybe this indicator, I have also these support levels here. It's the same. Okay, it's the same. My upper medium line here, uptrend line. So it doesn't matter if you'll use Elliott wave or Fibonacci or pitchfork or price action or I don't know, smart money concept or liquidity swap, sweep, you will find the same support and resistance, the same supply and demand, in my opinion. Maybe not not all the demand and supply zones, but that's why personally I'm using a lot of tools, not only one strategy or technique. I'm trying to trade only based on confluence trading, okay, using more than one technical tool or indicator or price action or concept. Okay, Ramazanov, good afternoon, sir. Will we have shorts today again? Shorts on what? Thank you for being here. So yeah, this is my opinion. I will go back and I will talk about silver. Sorry, silver. Okay, as I've said, it has reached this zone, this area. Okay, and if the price action invalidates maybe its breakdown here below this inside short pairs to trade, I don't know. Yeah, I'm looking for something. As I've said, yen longs. Let's take a look again on yen, and then I will come back here. Okay, it's still it continues to move sideways. Yen basket. I will talk about the Japanese yen in several minutes after I will finish with silver, because yeah, personally I was short Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and yeah, right when I wanted to to close my my position here after reaching this pivot. Okay, I've noticed on let's take a look on 3 minutes or on 2 minutes. I've noticed here after this sell-off, so I was in profit, okay, and I wanted to close it for around 0.3%, 0.30% growth profit in my real account. Then we had the US economic data, and as you can see, okay, even if we had only US data, it had we had a big and a major impact here on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you all the time that yeah, we had these economic data, final gross domestic product and unemployment claims. These are not high impact events, but also had a big impact here. And yeah, unfortunately, the price turned it against me. And yeah, personally, I've had my stop loss at break even. It has closed at break even. I was in profit, and here I wanted to see if the price will be able to take out maybe this support, because a very breakout here, it would have signaled the potential deeper drop towards my target. That's why maybe I didn't manage it right before maybe the US data. because it was my position was safe. My stop loss was at break even. Sell off, yeah, it has found support. It has rebounded only because yeah, the US reported better than expected data. But I will look for something else. So I will take a look again on this Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe I will look for potential shorts here as well, for potential Japanese yen longs, as you already know, because I've talked about potential Japanese yen longs all day. Yeah. So about silver guys. Yeah, if it stays above 23.518, if it closes and stabilizes above the sliding line, to test, retest it. I want to see here test, retest. Then maybe I will still look for a potential long here in silver. Yeah, so maybe this scenario, because today I've talked about a potential new leg higher, is still valid. But if it fails to close and stabilize above the sliding line, maybe I will look for shorts, for selling opportunities. Of course, if the price will take out this supply zone, because right now you can see that it has dropped below 23.518, only a false breakdown with great separation, because the price dropped below this support level, historical level, and it has closed far above it. Okay, signaling strong pressure from around this zone, but I still need confirmation here in the short term. Yeah. Need confirmation. Yeah, no, I don't want to use it like this. I want to use it maybe like this. Okay. Sideways movement, also maybe a breakout from this pattern could bring us something, but yeah, right now it's premature. It's premature to take a long position here. Yeah, maybe after this this breakout here, as I've said, if it will maybe test, retest here, maybe I will look for potential longs. Okay, if you get time, natural gas, please, bought at 5.246 profit running, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so if you are in profit, it's fine. It's really good. So let's take a look on natural gas. Natural gas, CFD. Okay, personally I'm not trading on this market. So you are can you help me check Canadian dollar, Swiss franc? It seems to be nearly all-time low. Yeah, maybe I will take a look on that market as well. But yeah, are you a buyer? Are you a seller? So 5.246. Okay, so you are long from around. Can you please take a look at oil? Yeah, I will take a look on oil as well. So yeah, from here. So you are in profit. How much? 200 pips? Yeah, if you say that you are in profit 200 pips, it's fine. And yeah, so technically, yeah, I will delete my drawings only because I believe that you decided to go long after reaching the support zone, support area, okay, these former lows, right? But please be careful here, that because you can see that it has dropped below 5.328, but yeah, it's your decision, it's your call, it's your trading account, it's your position, it's not my position, okay? So you can do whatever you want, you can manage it how you like and how you want and the way you want. So yeah, strong reaction here, but breakdown, it has closed it below these former lows. Also, it has closed it below the former lows. Yeah, signaling strong downside pressure. Currently holding buy. Okay, yeah. This immediate high 5.503 as resistance, and maybe we'll have potential range, but as I've said, after its failure to come back and stabilize above this key level, and after its failure also to stay above the range's resistance, yeah, it has signaled that the pressure is still high, the sellers are still very strong. So I believe that only staying above 5.188 to retest it to register false breakdowns or something, it could signal that maybe it could come back higher, at least towards the range's resistance. But a valid breakout maybe below 5.188 could also signal a potential deeper drop inside of this, maybe this pitchfork. This is my opinion here about natural gas. Yeah, a quick look here on natural gas. Yeah, it has found support here on 150% Fibonacci line. You can see how important are these lines. The 150%, the lower medium line. Lower medium line, okay. It remains to see. Yeah, we had a reaction here. Let's use, but 4 hour, 1 hour, strong reaction here. And as I've said, if it stays here, a valid breakout here, an upside breakout could signal potential rebound in natural gas, but something like this could signal a deeper drop. Okay, thank you. Let's continue. So US oil. So I've talked about silver. I will take a look on the US dollar as well. I will take a look. Yeah, strongly bearish right now, silver. DXY, let's take a look. Dollar index. It has rebounded in the short term after registering only a new false breakdown below the S1. Actually, a false breakdown here below this level after failing to hit 103.67. Yeah, but we are still below this downtrend line. One moment, let's invite more members. Let's invite more members. We are still below these immediate resistance levels. Only test retests. It could come back down, or if it takes out the resistance levels, it could resume its growth. We have a major downtrend line here. Major, not a major. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, in the short term, but yeah, I'll wait, and I need confirmation. Thank you so much for valuable time and opinion. I'll hold as stop loss is at cost. Okay, so I need confirmation before I will go long or short on the US dollar, because yeah, it has developed here a potential. I don't know if it's a triangle. It's not a triangle here. I will use a pitchfork like this. But yeah, it has failed here to hit the medium line. It has dropped it. No. So I'll wait here. I don't want to trade the US dollar right now. It's still under pressure, guys. Okay, as long as it stays below these immediate downtrend lines, it's still under pressure, and potential new lower low could activate potential deeper drop, more declines. Okay, so let's invite more members. GPA long. Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is my opinion about the dollar index. That's why I don't want to trade it, but I will still keep an eye. Let's take a look here. Euro USD. Yeah. Euro USD still inside of this range, and I'll wait for a valid breakout from this pattern, from this range. Maybe today here after so breakdown, retest, and downside continuation, only because the US reported positive data earlier today, but it's still located and trapped. Is trading inside of this extended range here. So yeah, I'll wait for the price to escape from this pattern, because I don't want to. If the price drops, I'll wait for a rebound. It could maybe retest the immediate resistance levels before extending its sell-off, or a new false breakdown here, only because I've said that the dollar index is still under pressure. So retest here, false breakdowns with great separation or something could signal a potential new rally inside of this range, at least towards 1.0662. Okay, something like this. And I will talk about the Japanese yen longs. Okay, yeah, yesterday I talked about a potential sell-off here, deeper drop. Yeah, maybe I've made a mistake here not to place sell stop here, because my stop loss it would have been above these highs, rebound, and as you already know, today Orlando was short here on on this market. From here it has catched this this sell-off. Yeah, unfortunately, or yeah, the price extended its sell-off, and maybe this was a miss here, that we didn't had maybe a new trade here or something for this continuation. But yeah, because please take a look here. I've talked about British pound versus the US dollar these days. I've talked about my medium line, so please take a look here. Okay, it has dropped along the medium line here. It has retested it, only false breakout, and then sell off. Okay, this potential, maybe this was a potential flag or something before extending its sell off. Yeah. Yeah, it has reached here an imbalance, yeah, and then boom. Okay, so yen, Japanese yen, because I've said that maybe I don't have something right now on the US dollar, so it has retested this zone, this area here. It has rebounded, yen basket, and right now it has found resistance in the short term here at 82.43. So before I will place a new trade in on the Japanese yen, I want to see something like this: a sell-off, the Japanese yen basket to retest this zone again, and then to develop a new leg higher. Or I would like the yen basket to take out maybe this resistance, static resistance 82.43 before extending its growth. Okay. Yeah, test retest here, false breakdown, signaling maybe upside pressure, but I still maybe I'll wait for the price for the yen basket to take out maybe this resistance before extending its growth. So let's take a look. Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen. Today I've had maybe this this setup. It was invalidated, guys, because yeah, even if in person I've moved my stop loss maybe here above this high, yeah, the price jumped above it, so it has invalidated my setup before. So yen become bullish as the BOG finally rises rates. I don't think that BOG is rising rates. I believe that the BOG expanded its yield target range or something like this. Could you please take check Euro USD? It's Ali. Yeah, I've talked about that market. I will take a look again. So yeah, after the BOG and after that decision, we had this massive drop, okay, on Euro Japanese yen, because we had a strong, let's compare it, yeah, with the yen basket. So new price, okay, so you can see that we have a negative, a strong negative correlation. Yeah, here between yen basket. So this is the yen basket. It has rallied. Euro Japanese yen dropped it. That's why I'm using what a drop. Wow. Yeah. So that's why I'm using the Japanese yen basket. Okay, so I will I will delete it from here. Yeah, so after this amazing sell-off rebound, it has found maybe resistance here. Let's use again that. Yeah, we have maybe a supply here because around that level. You can see that the price only retested here on lower time frames. Yeah. Yeah, but right now I don't want you to sell at the market. I don't want to sell at market right now because it has failed. Yeah, in all these attempts to turn to the downside to develop a sharp sell-off or something. Okay, so that's why I really need a setup. A high probability setup, but yeah, today I've had to I don't know. I don't want to sell it maybe here because it's almost to hit the medium line here, so I will still look for a potential Japanese yen long. Japanese yen long. Maybe here on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Please take a look. Rebound. So key level resistance, so static resistance, also supply here. Zone. Okay. Breakdown, test retests, and probably this I will try to go short again on Canadian dollar Japanese yen after, yeah, the price rebounded. The price rebounded here and closed my position, my short position at break even. Sideways triangle, bearish continuation pattern. On Canadian dollar Japanese yen, so maybe this will be the market. This could be the market, okay, for a potential but you can see that we have here a demand zone, support. Yeah, so maybe this will be the market because I don't think that I have something better on British pound Japanese yen. No. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Sideways movement. No. You can see that here is located right above 82.66 support. No, maybe that Canadian dollar Japanese yen maybe will be the market. Yeah. Also today I was looking, before I've sent that trade in Canadian dollar Japanese yen, I was looking at Australian dollar Japanese yen as well, and I don't know, maybe it would have been a better market for a potential short, but this is the thing. Yeah. I cannot know what market, Canadian dollar Japanese yen or Australian dollar Japanese yen, it would have it would maybe develop, or it could develop I didn't know, or I cannot know before I will place a trade or something what market will develop a strong move, or what market will remain sideways, ranging or something. So maybe this was good as well. And yeah, it was really good after this. But also let's take a look on 15 minutes. Here is the thing with this market. Yeah, I can use maybe this rising wedge. Okay, we had the rising wedge. So yeah, but that's why I didn't wanted to send two trades at the same time on the Japanese yen, the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and also this Australian dollar Japanese yen. But it was yeah, it was really good. Yeah, but yeah, we had this level here. Please take a look. 89.08. breakout, sell off, retest, and then boom. Okay, yeah, but I will look for something else, and I will come back with a high probability trade on the Japanese yen as well again. So this is the thing, I cannot place shorts also on Canadian dollar Japanese yen, euro Japanese yen, Australian dollar Japanese yen at the same time. Okay, because I will I don't want to double triple the risk, and I've selected Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, and but yeah, right now maybe Canadian dollar Japanese yen it could be my next trade on this market. So euro USD. And when I will decide to place it, I will if I'll decide to place it, I will send it into the VIP group. Okay, so don't forget to use those coupons if you want to join the VIP groups, the crypto group, the VIP group, the Forex VIP group. So about what would it be wise to swing Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar long at? I don't know. I'm not trading on that market. And also, don't forget, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. Okay, these are my opinions, only my opinions, my analysis, and everything here is only for educational purpose. Okay, so Euro USD. Yeah, about Euro USD, I've told you also yesterday that it's still trapped within this range between 1.0662 1.0582. Heavy support, right? Yeah, as you already know, it's a really strong support. Please take a look here. Okay, it has failed to take out, but maybe right now, if the dollar index will continue to grow after better than expected data, CB consumer confidence, no, that was yesterday. Today, final gross domestic product and unemployment claims, and also tomorrow, guys, core price index, personal income, personal spending, durable good orders, core durable good orders, new home sales, revised consumer sentiment. The economic data could also, if the US will report better than expected data, then maybe the US dollar will take the lead and will dominate the currency market. The dollar index will develop a larger rebound. So yeah, really strong support here. So that's why earlier today I've said that a valid breakdown here. Personally, if the price will drop and will close below it, then most likely will come back to retest all these, and only after something like this I will look for potential shorts. okay, or because after this amazing sell-off a rebound is natural, or if it drops and here tests, retests, okay, something like this, not exactly something like this, but if it drops, closes here, tests, retests, and stays here, then maybe also I will look for potential shorts. But yeah, something like this could bring us potential great short opportunity here in Euro USD. Yeah, because I said that here test, retest, and only false breakdowns with great separation, maybe like here, could signal a new bullish momentum towards 1.0662. Okay, it's Ali. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like the video. So this is my opinion. Thanks, man. Very helpful. Yeah, thank you as well. Did you like it, the video? Okay, thanks. If you have questions, guys, more questions, I'm still here because this will be my last webinar here before Christmas. So if you have questions, Euro, Japanese yen, 1 hour. Yes, of course. Okay, not looking to trade Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar trade. I was just having a discussion with a friend about it, just guessing which direction the market would go. Bruce, I will take a look on that as well. For you, Bruce, are you a VIP member, Bruce? But I don't know if you're a VIP member, but I will take a look for you. So, yeah. Japanese yen, guys. If the yen basket will develop a larger growth, then maybe also here US dollar Japanese yen could lose ground, could drop again. So US dollar Japanese yen. So yeah, it has reached this this zone here. And personally, I like to when I see something like this, okay, on 30 minutes, okay, to take a look on a lower time frame, to look for confirmation and then to go short maybe. But right now I don't want to go short here, okay. Maybe that that Canadian dollar Japanese yen would be my next trade. And I'll wait to see how I'll wait to see how it will react here on this zone, only because I don't want maybe to sell it here after this sell-off, and because it the price could have a what I've been VIP member just 30 minutes ago. Yeah. Because I don't want the price to have a strong reaction from this zone from here. Okay. But I will still keep an eye on this market, and maybe I will have a trade set up. So Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. But one moment, not looking to trade. Would it be wise to swing Australian dollar long at 1.0676? 0.0676, so 0.676. I don't know. Let's take a look on 4 hour. So downtrend. Downtrend. Right now it has we could have an inducement maybe here. Boom. On 4 hour, okay? Because this is the thing here. When you use maybe smart money concept or liquidity sweep, we had maybe a resistance, okay, here. It was taken out. That's why it could maybe still resume its upside movement. And personally, maybe, but yeah, I'm not trading on this market. I don't want to buy it, okay? I don't want to buy it right now, but maybe I would like to sell it from here after reaching those levels and those zones. Okay, and right now, yeah, it has failed. So that's why I'm using a lot of tools. Still learning how to trade. Can't afford to join the VIP group yet. Okay, Bruce. Yeah, but when you will decide to join us, yeah, right now we have those codes, that coupons, yeah, but it's up to you guys. I'm not forcing you guys to buy a subscription if you cannot afford. Yeah, it's really important, Bruce, to learn how to trade, to learn how to read the markets. It's important because personally I'm showing you here that you don't have to use all the time maybe pitchfork or specific indicator like pivot point, or I don't know what I have here, stochastic, Williams percent range, or pivot points, or relative straight index, or MACD, or I don't know. It's important to understand how to read the markets. Oh man, Geo was a beautiful trade. Thanks for that. It was not my trade, it was Orlando's trade, and yeah, it was a really good trade. Yeah, today that sell-off. Yeah. So this is the thing here. As I've said, maybe I will look only for potential shorts after reaching maybe this zone here. Okay. And in the short term, yeah, it could come back down to retest the broken after this amazing rally. yeah, maybe a retreat is natural before extending its growth. And if I will use, let's take a look, and I believe that we have something here. Yeah, we have this zone and area, and if we will use that concept, liquidity sweep, the price will drop below these former highs. Sorry, below these former highs, to sweep all the liquidity here, and then to jump higher. So maybe if I would like to buy it, I would wait maybe for the price to hit this zone here, yeah, to drop below these former highs, okay, to reach this zone, this area, but yeah, to stay above 1.0634. That's why right now it's premature to talk about something like this, as long as the price is far above this zone, this area. Yeah, if we'll take a look on lower time frames, yeah, maybe we'll have something here, but yeah, not really strong, or I don't know. Yeah, maybe we have something, but maybe, as I've said, here maybe I would like to be a buyer from here, after here dropping and here confirmation, and then boom. Okay. Italy, can you check one more, please? I'm still here. Okay, and yeah, I'm still trying to. Can I go for short in 4-hour time frame? To go short on British pound US dollar? I believe that it's too late. I've talked about that market, Italy. I've talked about that market, and I've said that yeah, Orlando's trades, yeah, really amazing trade after reaching this zone here. Okay, this imbalance on lower time frames. Let's take a look. Here, okay, after this rally, it was something like a maybe pattern rally base drop, and when the price reaches again that area imbalance here, boom, okay, a sell-off. So right now, okay, 4 hour, let's take a look on 4 hour. Personally, thanks a lot. Okay, so Bruce, thanks a lot. So after this massive drop, massive sell-off, yesterday I've talked about a potential deeper drop here, and I've said that maybe I've had something like this here, yeah, with an entry here, and maybe a potential stop loss here or here, okay, and with a potential target here. You can take a look. You can watch again yesterday's webinar when I talked about this setup. Okay, yesterday, yeah, and I said here that maybe a new lower low could activate, but after this sell-off, yeah, a rebound. The price rebounded, retested my medium line, and then boom, sell off. Okay, so that's why, guys, it's important. Okay, we had here on lower time frames an imbalance. Okay, a supply zone area. Yeah, and we had also, personally, I've had also this medium line. So yeah, it's the same. Okay, it was the same. It was a resistance here at my medium line, also an imbalance. That's why it's important, guys, to understand that if you are not using pitchfork, you can use maybe this concept, okay, or you can use Elliott wave. Maybe you will get the same resistance, okay, the same supply and demand zone, demand area, okay, or supply zone, support, or yeah, okay, supply as resistance and demand zone as support, okay. So or you can use, what do we have here, okay, please take a look. Sorry about that, my phone. So this is the thing also here. Yeah, let's take a look. We can use, please take a look here. If we'll use only that key level, okay, the price rebounded, retested that key level, registered only a false breakout, and then sell off. Okay, so it's the same, guys. If you'll use dynamic support and resistance, if you'll use static, but it's important in this case here. Yeah, we had a confluence here, guys. Okay, after this rebound, the price reached this zone here, the confluence. So the intersection between 1.2133 key level, medium line here, and also if you'll use that concept, also an imbalance zone and the supply zone. Okay, and right now, yeah, you can watch yesterday's webinar for this because I've talked about that setup. Because here I've talked about a potential maybe deeper drop as long as it stays below the medium line. But after this amazing sell-off, personally, no, I don't want you to sell it here because it could rebound. And where should I put my stop loss? Okay, and no, I don't want to go at market here and to place a stop loss there. No, maybe I'll wait for temporary rebounds in the short term, and because maybe, yeah, it could extend its drop, its sell-off if the DXY will jump higher. Okay, it has dropped it deeper because the US data came in better than expected, okay, earlier today, and that's why in the short term I will look for potential or I'll wait for rebounds, for temporary rebounds before I will look for potential new shorts. So no, I don't want to. And yeah, this is the target. Yeah, this is the major downside target. And please take a look here. Okay, if we'll use this concept, yeah, we have this former low, we have this zone here, yeah, as a demand. And personally, I also have S2 here. I also have lower medium line here. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't have something to trade here live. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen again. Yeah. Maybe it will rebound to retest this broken zone. Yeah, unfortunately, my position was closed at break even because it would have been really good. It would have been in deep profits right now. 1, 2, and 3. Here on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, but because after this strong sell-off, I believe that the price could rebound, and then I will look for potential shorts, or if I would like the price to retest maybe here before extending its sell-off. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Yeah, later today maybe I will come back with something else. I will also come back with something tomorrow. And yeah, if you are not available maybe tomorrow, have a great weekend, have a great Christmas, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.